Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group ZNR, and I hope that all of us are fine and in the protection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My name is Raushan as the dubber and writer in this project.
My name is Noaina as the leader and director in this project.
My name is Zulfiardhi as the editor and cameraman in this project.
And in this opportunity, we would like to share with you how to make simple cheese balls. Let's just get right into it. First, the ingredients you'll need are potatoes, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, cheese, salt, pepper, cooking oil, seasoning powder. Now, onto the steps. First, pour water into a pan and then boil the water. Then, when the water is boiled, put the potatoes into the boiling water. After that, boil the potatoes until soft. Then, take the potatoes out of the boiling water when they are soft, and peel off the potato skin. After that, put the potatoes into a bowl. Then mash the potatoes and season it with seasoning powder, salt and pepper. Take the mashed potatoes around 3 centimeters. Next, flatten the mashed potatoes and fill it with cheese. After the mashed potatoes are filled with cheese, shape them into balls. Then coat the potato cheese balls with flour. Stir an egg. After it is stirred, coat the potato cheese balls with the stirred egg. Take the coated potato cheese balls and coat it again with breadcrumbs. Heat the cooking oil, and then when it's heated, put the potato cheese balls into the frying pan. Cook them until golden brown. frying pan. Finally, serve the cheese balls with chili sauce or mayonnaise or